You probably want to move out from your hometown and do a solo living, or just want to invest to resell it someday, or just to rent out. You may want to consider an SMDC investment. Just like the SMDC condos in Manila, they offer great amenities, just like pools and gardens. But this time, this is in the north. We have SMDC Cheerful homes in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. Hey, what is up? My name is Jom and welcome to my channel where I create videos about careers, education, traveling, and a bunch of other things. You might want to click here to subscribe. Hello, we're now here in Mexico. We're heading to San Fernando to meet our agent. Where are we going?
Hi, we are going to SMDC Cheerful homes. Bakit kayo in Cheerful? Ako na eh. The pen shop. We are here at the Cheerful 1.
We're here at Cheerful Homes. Actually, we have Cheerful Homes 1 and Cheerful Homes 2, and that is being constructed. And here at Cheerful Homes 1, I think they're already residents.
Tito Gil pala.
Sir, saan yung Cheerful 2? Santa Maria. Santa Maria?
Aliwan eh.
Aliwanag. Mas malapit yung, kaya nga sabi na mas malapit sa kanin Cheerful. Ay, Sector 4 and Cheerful 2. In Sector 4, Flexi Home Inner 8. No, me.
For the unit that I'll be getting would be 22 square meters. We'll be looking at the model units.
Hello, welcome to Cheerful Homes.
Alright, here we have 32.5 square meters and the lot area is 50 square meters. This is an inner unit. This is like the deliverable unit, except it has furniture.
Floor area is 30. Floor area is 32.5. Yan. Sector 2, ating makanini available ng Sector 2.
Ano yung sector yun eh?
2. Here's the model unit of our flexi home. Pero talaga, akin na.
Kaya ka pa bang luda pa mo?
Wow, saan tayo pala?
This bathroom,
Didn't get it.
I like that division, that glass division.
This unit is the dress model of our flexi home inner unit. This one, welcome to your home. I'll be not
Ba't 2 bedroom yun?
They divided it,
Ay, alin naman pala.
and here we have
Pero pwede alin bedroom eh.
a small sofa and TV
Living unit.
and a living room. Cool.
Ay.
Again, this is just the model unit. You're not gonna have this when you buy a unit here.
May maximizing space.
Nangas ka rin. Maximum station.
Pag makanina maluwalas yan na.
Wapin nga. Kasi dinesign eh.
If you're planning to consult an interior designer, that's so great because you'll be able to maximize the space. Just like here, they were able to have 2 rooms, but they were too small, of course, and a nice kitchen, a small living room, and a dining area.
Look.
Ay, pang baby eh.
May dirty kitchen. Ano pa nangyarap? Pasara yan.
Apa. Nasabi mo?
Ano pa nangyarap mo?
Baka happy niyan. Alam makalitin ng CR pero may gayang kain VG.
Then model ba? Pero parang yung house area na. Muna yung sabihan pareho ya yung kilom. Pero yung lot, mas malaki.
Mas malagulan ba? Diba? This one.
Yung makapangisnawan bala mo dapat di aircon ka mo. Diba? Say yes.
Pero actually, nung metong kamo, mo na kailangan i-divide, di ba?
What happened?
Bakit divide, di ba? Late na nung gawin din.
Mag-online class. Ay, sorry.
Pwede rin. Chicken siding tayo na eh.
Now let's proceed to the sales office. We'll be asking about the deliverable units, if we can see them.
Good afternoon po. Matanong lang po sana kami for the deliverable units of our Cheerful van.
But we're not able to visit one, so it's fine. Anyway, we'll just be choosing based on the map. They're just the same, and you just have to design it. You're going to paint, you're going to have some furniture, and you can move in after a year, because that's what I did. After a year, you can move in. Because I have the spread down payment, I pay monthly. On the 12th month, it will be financed through Pag-ibig.
Apen na siguro rin amenities na rin.
At yung swimming pool, hindi nalilinis kasi bawal pa mag-swimming, pandemic eh. Basketball na natin. Marami na rin nakatira dito. May mga nakatira na.
Clubhouse, swimming pool. Complete amenities na yung kanina.
Hindi tayo mag-selfie tayo lahat.
Sige po.
Hi! Okay po, we are done on having our site tripping here in Cheerful Homes 1. Unfortunately po, hindi po kami nakapunta sa Cheerful 2. Medyo malayo na kasi. Tsaka, so, pauwi na po tayo.
Ako malapit siya. Pwede laharin ng gagawin kain. Full na. From there. Di ba?
Oo. Saan natin available to? Nanong buri mo mama? Nating parking? Alang parking?
Got it for only 1.1 million pesos including other charges. But I didn't pay it in cash. It will be financed through Pag-ibig. The reservation fee is 10,000 pesos and that is deductible from the total price. Monthly payment is 8,530 pesos for the first year. Then you can move in once approved for financing. The 10% down payment is payable within a year, but it always depends on you if you have enough cash. For this one, it has 22 square meters floor area with approximately 32 square meters lot area. The total amount payable is 1,123,517 and 50 cents. The 10% of that is 112,352 pesos. I made a reservation fee of 10,000 pesos, so we deduct that. We'll arrive at 102,352 and that is the one that's payable within a year. Divide it by 12 months and that's gonna be your monthly payment. I'm not just sure if there will be more units, because if you're planning to invest right now if you know that you can. Yeah, make a good investment.